there's a homeowner that's going to be really happy to see this thing come off the wall. So I can't not video that. And as convoluted as this thing has been, I think I'm going to stop right here, shut the gas off so we can get this gas pipe out and get it plugged up. So hang on. Okay, in case it's not obvious to you why the gas had to be turned off to fix this, here's the gas shut off. Here's the union to pull the gas pipe apart on the wrong side of the union. So I had to cut it to get it even out of the water here. But we got to take this all apart anyway, so might as well just do it. Right? Right. Don't ever do this. Don't ever put the union on that side of the gas valve. That's wrong on many levels. So many things wrong with the installation of this thing. I can't even start. This doesn't belong here. Screws aren't even, they're barely in. I think they're just kind of there tightened to hold it in. Yeah. But, hey, there is a liner in it. Wonderful color. Okay, Duncan, it's all done. I'm just going to jump in here and let you know we had a ton of piping to do. The old water heater was 1/2 inch line, and that was causing some conflicts with the bathtub upstairs. It was a pretty high flow tub upstairs, and 1/2 inch feeding it didn't want to feed any water to that thing. So it took a while to get the 3/4 inch line and repiped it all in 3/4 inch copper to get it better flow up in the tub up in the 3rd floor, and you know, it just makes for better flow all the way around the house. So what I'm doing here is just drilling holes for straps to hold the piping in, and trying to feed pipe through the joist spaces. It was pretty crowded up in there, but we got them across there, and when in the end it really did make for a nice flow up in the tub upstairs, and it came out real nice, and you'll see. But this part, man, I tell you, I fought these tools. I measured and I fought and oh, it was awful. You'll see, man. I took one for the team on this one. Oh, this could be tricky. Well, if I'd have just got up here in the first place, I'd have been fine. But no. I mean, I'm alright being stupid. Nice job, stupid. Okay. That might have been a little far, but I think we're gonna be alright. It's always nice to come back to a job the next day and see what mess you left for yourself from the day before. I'm gonna pick up a little bit, and then we're gonna start in on getting the 3/4 inch into the boiler and into the mixing valve, and I'll show you all that. I want to get that finished up underneath the boiler. So we got quite a bit of work to do. Stick around. Okay, first we gotta sweat the other end in. So let's go up there. Okay, I first gotta get this in so we make sure that we're in line. So let's take this tank is 3/4 inch national pipe thread. So we take an adapter and we're going to pipe dope this, but you can't sweat anything in here after you screw this on, which sometimes in some cases is really nice to be. It would be nice to screw this on first, but you just can't. So we're going to put some of this together first, and I think what I'm going to do, I mean, we can mock this up. You go the right way, otherwise you're not getting anything.